on YouTube currently, a lot of YouTubers are actually going into faceless channel, like they're actually going to faceless content. This is because the RPM in faceless content is higher than the RPM in normal channel in most cases. This is why a lot of people are actually rushing into faceless content, and advertisers pay more money in faceless content because anything that has to do with AI, that's what advertisers like. So the CPM and the RPM for faceless content is actually different from the one you're going to aim from normal content where you show your face. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 5 faceless niches you can start in 2025, and I'll be also telling you the RPM. And the craziest part of this video is all about the craziest part of it that this content can actually be created with just your phone. You don't need a fancy camera setup or even a studio setup. With just your mobile phone, you can actually create this content from the comfort of your home. On your bed, you just create this content in less than 10 minutes and you'll be earning thousands of dollars every month. So let's get straight into the video. Now the first one is AI news and tools breakdown. Now the world is actually evolving from like 2026 now. The world has actually evolved that a lot of people, like a lot of things have been done with AI, to make life easier and faster. And a lot of people are going on net every day to session how this AI tools really works. So this is where you come in. You can actually be making videos on how this AI tools actually work. You explain then bit by bit. You just create a video, like you just use an AI editing app to actually do this. Just give it a prompt, like just create a video, like example, how does in video AI work? You'll be explaining different AI machines, AI facilities, just like that, and you'll be getting a lot of money on YouTube. And the estimate RPM for this niche is between $13 to $10. Yes, that's the estimate RPM you're going to get paid. Now the next one is business documentation and case study. This involves storytelling and is focused on long videos. Like you'll be talking about different people story and how they succeed and how they did so things to succeed. Like you can be talking about Abraham Lincoln for a case study, how he became the president of America. A lot of people want to watch that video because a lot of people really like Abraham Lincoln and they want to really know about his story. So you can be a storyteller. Just go for different great men, different historical men, talking about their story, talk about how they succeed, how they were able to attain financial success, or how they were able to attain a certain level in society. So you can actually be doing that and you'll be actually making money here on YouTube. And the estimate RPM for this niche is between $7 to $12. Now the third one is personal finance and investment guide. Like you can be someone like a financial advisor here on YouTube. You are not showing your face. Remember, you are using AI to actually create this tool. I'm actually going to teach you. I'm going to actually make a video on how to actually create all this kind of video using different AI. If you want me to make that video, I want you to leave it in the comment section. So in this part now, you're going to be creating different finance videos. Like you'll be teaching people on how to manage their resources, manage their money, how to save their money, how to invest, kind of business they should invest. This video is actually going to blow up because a lot of people will be interested to know on how to save their money, because some people struggling in finance, that they don't know how to manage their finance. So through your video, they're going to be getting some useful tips and stuff like that. And this covers, and the estimate RPM for this niche is between $8 to $13. Now the fourth one is animated crime and psychological documentary. This is where you'll be talking about, let me say, cartoon stories. You'll be making cartoon stories, biblical stories. You'll be using cartoon images to cartoon images to actually create these videos, talking about different story. You can be talking about Bible story. You even have the prayer niche for this one. You'll be making a prayer video every morning. You upload it here on YouTube and you'll be getting paid. Or you talk. The estimate RPM for this niche is between $8 to $13. Moving over to the last one is the make money online and tech niche. Yes, a lot of people is actually struggling financially. So this is where you come in. You're going to be teaching people how to make money online, how to utilize different platforms to actually make money online. I will teach people on different gadgets, like the new release gadget. Like every year Samsung produce phone, iPhone produce phone, so you're going to be teaching people how to use this gadget, what are the features, what are these specification of all these gadgets. You're actually going to be helping a lot of people out there, and a lot of people are going to buy into your idea. And the estimate ROI for this niche is between $6 to $11. About the top 5 tools you can actually use to create all this video. The first on the list, you can use InVideo AI, you can use View, you can use CapCut, you can use Canva AI, and the last one is 11 Lab. And I promise to make video on how to actually use all these tools to create this video. Remember, I say this video you are not showing your face, you just use all this AI tool to actually create this video from the comfort of your home, and it's going to help you do the voiceover, text and images. That's simple. So we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to come to the comment section to actually reply to all your comments. Till then, peace out guys. Thanks for watching.